Be sure to check out the tiny houses and the free shed plans from the Jamaica Cottage Shop in Vermont in the description below.
Chris the Capable Carpenter, coming to you from Leigh Acres in Huntsville, Alabama. I'm going to be working for quite some time. There's going to be 12, 20 little rental structures that I'm going to be building, modifying, bringing guys like Deacon to build, which I'm super stoked about. Just hanging out in one of the tiny houses we bought, doing some upgrades to it. Acquired this little old Shasta, which sure is cute. It was like a tailgater special, though. It's all types of sticky in there. Now, wouldn't you love it if this was one of the rentals? This is just my everyday driver. That's my unicorn. But what I wanted to show you is this beauty right here. Oh my goodness. So all pallet wood. This is the existing tack room. Little bench area. Sit down, have a cup of coffee. Get a good night's rest. So I love it. $10 is what I paid on the remodel. There's still under 1,000 in the whole thing. And we still have this back part to finish where the 2-horse stall is. So that's coming up. Got lots of other builds coming up, a couple shipping containers, a couple school buses. Deke's gonna come down and do a workshop here, maybe a tree house, maybe an A-frame. I don't know, but it's gonna be rad. All right, so that's what I do. Conversions, tiny houses, shipping containers, school buses, and all that's gonna be here at Leigh Acres, which is also gonna be the home of my YouTube channel. So please subscribe. The link's gonna be down below. I'm also super excited to be a guest speaker builder at Tiny House Summer Camp 7, which if you have any interest in doing this type stuff, you have no idea what you're missing if you don't sign up for this. So hope to see you there. It's gonna be a blast and I can't wait. See you guys later.